What's are these people just always attacking on my video? Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in those kind of content, please click the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. I'm going back to physical school, but we'll be going to virtual school. So in today's video I'll be doing like a get ready with me. I'm not gonna get ready with me for school. I don't have any class today. So yeah, so I woke up like around 6:30 thereabouts, but I have been doing some work on my lappy for school, you know, getting things together. Plus I'm doing a video that I want to upload like now.
Hi guys, good morning. If you're new here, I am Sashi Shan. Welcome back. Today I'll be doing breakfast as we're going back to school, and mommy have decided since she's going on fasting, she ain't doing no breakfast for us. So today you'll be working with Sashi Shan in the kitchen. So I'm thinking about doing some waffles and strudels along with some omelets, and we'll see what else, fruits or whatever. So let's go. So we already have this and I'll be placing it in the oven over there, so we'll see when it turns out well. So this is where we're at. We're gonna add in, I changed my mind from the omelette because I feel like I want to do something different. So this is where we're at. We're going to be adding in the eggs that I already smashed and ready together. So here we go. Alright guys, so I'm just adding the last ingredients, the cheese. My sister loves cheese, so I try to give her a little cheese. She not supposed to eat too much doing, but you know, giving her a little cheese. Alright, so this look like it done and all these things.
Hey sisterin, so sisterin is making breakfast guys. That's the clips that you just saw. That's her making breakfast. Guys, I'm not lying to you, the first day of school is so chaotic. I remember all my son is supposed to be very organized. This is what I mean, because right now I am chaotic. Everything just feels so chaotic. What am I supposed to get? I'm organized, but I'm trying. You want tea?
Yes.
I don't have any tea. You can imagine 8 o'clock reach. I'm ready for school. Well, my class is ready, but I won't be doing like any videoing, anything.
Can't pass.
I'm supposed to pass. Yeah, trust me. Alright guys, so this is the outcome of the breakfast. Like I said, I was doing breakfast to go on Shakay's vlog. So yeah. So breakfast is ready. So we're about to pray and have breakfast. Well, if you notice the empty chair, every time I call her for breakfast, she gone. It's like her life is so busy. Oh my god. But anyway, we're going to pray and then we're going to start the breakfast, and I'll let you know what she thinks.
I told them that when you come back I'm going to see what you think or if it tastes good.
Yes guys, it looks good, so let's see if it tastes good. Tastes good. So just don't eat my waffles, eh? Some feedback I'll do another from there. Hi guys, so I'm kind of off to a late start today. I just finished eating breakfast, as you guys saw in the previous clip and whatever. Now I am going to make my bed, then go and bathe, and I have a video to make for a class. So yeah, but not showing up not so fast. Before I set up this class area, I'm trying to source myself a table to borrow or to buy. for today. Well, hopefully I can get it today. I don't know. I was trying to figure out how am I going to source a table, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys how I set up my area, or my little, you know, section. I'm thinking of using here. Sorry, my bed is here. I could, you know, I can use my bed and then put the table there, or I can use my filming station and push down the bed and use there. So but the table probably not go well. That are the next thing if I use up there. So yeah, this is probably the best area because I have like different walls that I can turn to if I'm supposed to make a video or something. If I don't have to make a video, then I can just put the table and the chair right here or right there. So yeah, I need to figure that out. Yeah. All right, guys, so this will be my setup. I'm going to be making a video for my students. Got my tablet, bag, and I'm gonna start. I'm gonna do something with my life. Hi guys, so it is now 1:05. Hi Shan. Hey boo. How's working from home for you? Anyways guys, so it is now 1:06 p.m. Light gone. Yes, light gone. So yeah, me I laugh. But I just finished my class list for grade 7. So that's great. And then I might just go eat now. Might as well. I'm not nothing to do. Ready to go eat, boo? Ready to go eat? I come here good this morning for the school. I don't could put up. Good morning guys, and welcome to Wednesday's vlog. So it is currently 8:42 and I'm been sitting here. Well, I'm gonna really sit down from 8. I got up from about 7 something. I went and had a shower, and by 8 o'clock I was out and did my registration. Then I went on to eat my breakfast. I'm back at my desk because I don't have any class today until I think 12 or 11. Yeah, after lunchtime basically. I think it's 11 to 2. Yeah, 11 to 2. So that's my class time. Fun. I don't like afternoon classes, but yeah, I prefer morning, you know, and have the afternoon for myself. But we fine. So I go into my hair. I have on a t-shirt and yeah, clothes. And I'm trying to sort out my life, but guys, it is hard because I'm still no work, pants up our work. Never really expect all of this, but yeah, it is what it is. I tried my best to be organized and, you know, sort out everything, but things, you know, did not work out the way I wanted it to. So a lot of these things I still I have not yet gotten done. So I am going to, I have a video because I don't have a video to upload today. Well, I have videos, just that they don't edit it, so I don't upload a video. I don't edit or upload a video yet for today, not tomorrow. Yeah, school I tell them school. I'm wondering if I'm going to have to, you know, skip this day because it's after 8. I'm going to start edit the video yet, so I might have to skip today. So if you did not see any video on Wednesday, that's what happened. So yeah, I'm gonna find which one of these things because I need to clear up my phone. So I'm gonna take off my YouTube videos, put on my YouTube thingy. I ended up had to buy a thumb drive yesterday because I did have some pictures from my computer, pictures from my school, because this is my school thumb drive, right? And I think I had one for YouTube already, but I had some pictures on the YouTube one and they're full it up, so like the videos I need to edit, it couldn't send to it, so I had to buy this to put my pictures on. So all my pictures on my phone, I'm gonna have to take them off because my phone getting too full. Plus I have some school things on my phone and it's done, so all of that work today. So yes guys, let us get into this video. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if I showed you my final look. So today's Wednesday and I'm gonna edit my video today, so I want to show you my final school setup. So I got this desk to borrow, that's my chair. I have my bag and, you know, use this for extra space. And then whenever I'm supposed to be like doing video calls or videoing something for my class, then I'll have a great background. So, and then the light will be shining in, so that's perfect. So all I did was to just pull down my bed so I could get that area. And yeah, it's pretty comfortable. I used it yesterday and it was great. So yeah, let the third day of school begin. Hi guys, so it is Thursday, the 4th day of school. Would you focus? Yeah, so it has been rough, not gonna lie. I think the most problem I'm having right now is basically setting up the classes. That is taking forever. So I've set up completely 2 classes, so I have 2 to go, and I'm waiting on some other teachers to, like, you know, finish their part, you know, sort their students, so I can finalize those 2 lists, and then yeah, I'm done. But guys, I love my little setup that I have here. I'm gonna be showing you my little register, like, but I'm not gonna show any of them. So here, this is like my grade 7 group, and I have like the dates. So I have October, and then if I give a tri-weekly, then that grade goes there. I want to give a project, so that project would be due in November, so I left that there. And then tri-weekly 2, and then December we normally do exams, so I do a paper 1 and a paper 2. Still need to decide how I'm gonna do the paper 2, but I'm thinking like documents or something. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. So that is gonna work, and then I'm gonna put like check boxes here, so I wouldn't need to do P or whatever. I'm gonna do that and show you. So yes guys, this is basically what it will look like, and then I just click on the box in order to check it. So if this person is present next week, I would do click, and yeah, if not, then it will be staying empty. So that is what I did for my register. Alright guys, so this is my sister's setup. She decided to stay outside to work, so got her lappy, her pencil and pen thingy, and she has her books and her tablets and whatever. It's a nice little setup, cute. So yeah, she has been begging me to do the video from Monday, and it's now Thursday. So alright guys, so I've finally done my lists, all of them, all 4. So right now I'm gonna leave the schoolwork for a while because I don't let me teach for the week here. This bum though. I'm not teaching for the week, so I'm gonna do some housework and such because I don't think I'll be here on Saturday. Yeah, so that's what's gonna go down right now. So I'm just pack all of the computer business. I just finished at lunch actually, and then I'm just gonna do that. So I'll see you guys.